Hi OLAPLEX YouTube family, my name is Silvia Reis of ElleBangs and I'm a professional hairdresser here to take you through a quick styling routine with OLAPLEX's number 9, number 6, and number 7. Alright, so my hair is a little damp still, but I'm going to go ahead and prep it for styling. So I like to start with OLAPLEX number 9. So I'm going to apply that from my mid-lengths through the ends. It's a weightless leave-in silicone-free hair serum, and it shields the hair from pollution for up to 48 hours, and it is also a heat protector for up to 450 degrees. And as you can see, it is completely weightless on the hair, yet it's already given the hair lots of shine, and of course, lots of heat protection. Next, I'm gonna go in with the number 6, the Bond Smoother. And this is a concentrated leave-in conditioner. It is great for all hair types, whether it's colored or chemically treated. So it strengthens, hydrates, and moisturizes the hair, and also it speeds up the blow drying process. And of course, it eliminates frizz for up to 72 hours. All right, so now I'm going to brush out my hair and start the styling process. So my hair has some natural wave and a lot of natural frizz and texture. So I like to go in with a straightening iron and kind of smooth out the roots first so that I can give it some natural waves after. I also like to smooth out my ends. And as you can see, I've kind of left the mid-lengths because we're gonna go in and curl. I also like to get these little hairs underneath and smooth those out. All right, next I'm gonna go in with number 7, the bonding oil. And I love the versatility of this oil because you can use it on damp or dry hair. So you can go ahead and use it as needed through your styling process. So I'm gonna add a little bit right now. I'm gonna add some waves, and then if I need to add a little bit at the end for some finishing touches, I will do that. So I'm gonna start grabbing medium-sized sections in the back and just going to wave sort of through the middle lengths and then leaving out the ends. Grabbing the next section. And the closer we get to the front, I like to bring the wand a little bit closer to the front. I think it just gives it a little bit more of a relaxed wave that sits a little bit nicer. And then this last piece around the face, I really like to just give it a little bit of a bend. So quick and easy, doing the same thing on the other side. That's basically it for the curling, and I feel like these waves will hold so much nicer with these styling products, and the hair already looks shiny. I haven't brushed it out yet. I like to just give it kind of a minute to set, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of the number 7 bonding oil and working through the mid-lengths and then upwards. All right, and I'm all done. I love that with the correct styling products, I'm able to achieve a style that I love, that is quick and easy, and that it's not hurting my hair. And the fact that these products are doubling as both styling and repair, that is all that I could possibly want in a hair product, and I love that OLAPLEX delivers it all. And that's it, guys. This is how I achieve a quick hairstyle with OLAPLEX number 9, number 6, and number 7.